To successfully adopt and leverage cloud, organizations need to consider a few things. First, they need a solid plan to address the skills gap. There are salient differences between how infrastructure is managed on-prem and how it's managed in the cloud. And if the organization is trying to move virtual workloads from on-prem to containers in the cloud, those differences are even more pronounced. So it's really important to have a solid training plan for the employees. Second is the aspect of automation. Because of cloud, there are certain practices like infrastructure as code or GitOps that they need to adopt. Third is the cultural aspect. So they need to focus on adopting agile-based methodologies, following Scrum patterns, following sprints, and then there's also a need for close collaboration between multiple teams. And finally, the aspect of cost. The workload, as it expands in the cloud, the need for cost optimization is really imperative. And it's easy to achieve cost optimization, but there needs to be a focus on making sure that they are minimizing or eliminating waste. But these challenges can be overcome with some guidance and know-how, and knowing what to look out for is usually a very good first step to adoption. We've worked with clients with varying degrees of cloud adoption and workload modernization. So our focus is not only on the technical aspects, but also making sure they understand and implement the cultural changes needed for them to be successful with cloud. So we have a focus on making sure that we train their teams to be ready so they can pick up the changes that were made through our engagements once our engagement is done. So we want to make sure that our clients receive the most return from our engagement, and so we focus on not only the technical aspects, but also the people and process aspects.